Hello everyone, let's take a look at the wiring methods for this 4-wire motor, and the motor's 4 wires are neutral, ground, control, up and control down, 3 types of switches. All 3 switches can control the forward or reverse rotation of the 4-wire motor. The 2 knobs at the head of the motor are used to adjust the motor's stop position, also known as the limit dot first. Let's look at the first switch. Loosen the screw on the back of the switch. Then connect the control up wire and control down wire to the L1 and L2 terminals of the switch, respectively. If the motor runs in the reverse direction, you can swap L1 and L2. Next, connect the live wire of the power supply to the add terminal of the switch. The neutral wire of the power supply and the neutral wire of the motor should be connected directly. The motor ground wire can be connected or left unconnected. Okay, now let's plug in the power and check. When you press the switch, the motor starts to rotate. This is a self-returning switch. When you release the switch, the motor stops, or it will stop when it reaches the limit dot. Next, let's look at the second switch. Its wiring method is the same as the first one, so it won't be described here. Please refer to the video. The difference. Is that this switch is not self-returning. Once pressed, the motor will continue running until it reaches the limit and stops. This is the third switch. The wiring method is the same, but its buttons are different. Pressing the left button lowers, descends. Pressing the right button raises, ascends, and pressing both simultaneously stops the motor.